So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you have already registered in the Get Certified program. Now what is it? It's a certification journey. If you want to know more about it, I will attach the link in the description. From there you can watch about the program and get freely certified GCP. Okay, free certification. It is a free certification offering by GCP where you get 100% free voucher. Okay, for passing the exams. So here, for the people who have already got the invitation, how to proceed further, this video is for that only. Now, you must have received some of the updates from the Get Certified team also. What are the major updates? First of all, what you need to do, let me just show you. So the first thing what you have to do, you have to first of all create your skills account. Okay, you have to create a skills account. You can directly sign in with Google, or you can just do one thing. You can simply create account and just continue with email and password mostly. And sometimes if you are using corporate emails it won't work. And some important thing I want to share before registering in this means creation of the account, what you need to take care that you are registering with the same email in which you have received the invite, and the email should be your corporate email, not your personal email. Corporate email means the company in which you are working. Okay, also this program, the Get Certified program, is only for working professionals, so I'm addressing them only. Now here you have to enter your name, last name, etc., email, and your company name. If you want you can add it or just type in it. Then after that you have to just add your password and date of birth, and then just click on create account. First of all, fill the captcha, means just click on I am not a robot and just do the captcha and then just create account. Once you have created account, I already have account, so I'm just signing in directly. So once you have created your account, your dashboard will look like this. After that, the second thing what you have to do, you have to simply go to your profile and go to the settings option. From there, just scroll down, and by default, this checkbox will not be enabled for you. Okay, means this URL won't be visible for you if you are creating the account for the first time, mostly because you are participating for the first time. Then you have to just click on this checkbox and then just update the settings. So once you update the settings, then you are ready for completion of the challenges and the badges. Now let's come to the main document. So this is the update and the registration. Sorry, registration not. Program is starting from 6th of April and you'll be getting a chance to get certified. So here we have the A certification, PCA, PD, PC. Okay, there are multiple certification. Whatever certification, including the GenAI certification you have selected during the registration process, I have attached the link in the description. From there, you can watch what are the certifications they are offering and when you can apply for the upcoming cohort. So here they are inviting you for a 2 day sessions, means the first session will be on 6th of April. After that there will be second session on 7th of April. Their mentor will be guiding you how to proceed for entire pathway. They will be guiding you how you have to create your account, how to lead and complete all the pathways, and then after the session you'll be granted for the action. Okay, means access will be granted to you. Okay, so first thing you have to create a skills account, which I have already shown you. Now here, to qualify for the next stage of the program, okay, you need to complete at least 3 out of 4 labs. So during the session, means during the trainer session, they'll be showing you which labs you have to complete and which pathway you have to complete. Also you'll be getting the email also. So you have to complete at least 3 out of 4 labs. Okay, and even if lab shows completed, see, somehow for example you completed any of the lab earlier, you have to redo that lab again, and then only the tracking system will validate your entry. Okay, after that if you qualify, you'll be getting a results on 14th of April. Now here are some common FAQs that if you are having any doubts you can reach out to the support team. Mostly you have to just mail to support@qwiklabs.com. One more important thing, these are special certification courses, means for public use it is not available. You'll be added, means they will add you through your corporate email address which you use while registering in the program. So you have to use that email only while creating the account or while reaching out to them for any support. Okay, so even if you are getting the access for some of the labs, see, and you are unable to open it, do not worry, because After this session, the trainer session ends, then only you'll be able to access it. So here are the quick things which you need to understand, and I hope all your doubts are cleared. First thing is that you have to create a Cloud Skills Boost account and make your profile public. After that, what you have to do, you have to wait for the another email which will come mostly on 5th of April. Okay. After that, you'll be getting the courses. You have to complete it. And if you face any issue, you can reach out to me. This update was also shared by one of my subscribers. So thanks to him. And everything will be shared to you. Do not worry about it. As of now, you have to just create the Cloud Skills Boost account only. And do not worry, we'll be there for you. So if you want to participate in other events also like arcade, maybe different events, we have the Unstop event, boot camps, certified events. You can just check out the channel. We have multiple things live here. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel.